Ömer ve İrfan, öncelikle merhaba. Umarım iyisinizdir. Ben aslında bu videoyu size yaklaşık bir ay önce göndermeliydim ama bir türlü çekecek uygun bir zamanı bulamadım. Çünkü biliyorsunuz bizim çalışma şartlarımız biraz zor ve çalışma saatlerimiz çok uzun. Ya ağlıyorum sahnelerde ya üstüm başım çok düzgün olmuyor. O yüzden size daha düzgün bir video çekmek istedim ve Köyceğiz'deki evimden size video çekiyorum. Gönül isterdi ki Diriliş setinde sizinle görüşelim, o sahneleri izleyin ama biliyorsunuz ben diziden ayrıldım. Ama bu sene Allah izin verirse ben sizin o sete güzel bir sahneyi izlemeye göndermek istiyorum.
Assalamu alaikum. Dil, can, Pakistan. Aapko Celal Al Abdurrahman. Canip say Eid Mübarek. Eyvallah.
Kardeş ülkeden selamünaleyküm. I cannot thank you enough for the unimaginable love and incredible response you are giving to Ertuğrul Gazi Urdu by PTV. And also I would like to thank PTV for bringing Ertuğrul Gazi to you all. Aapse Komeri tarafse Eid Mübarek. Selam olsun brothers and sisters. Selam olsun Pakistan.
Me, Jolt, Pakistan, Aunga. Hi everyone, Javit here. You know me as Doğaner from Ertuğrul. Pakistan is my second country, my second home because my friends say me. We are getting so much positive response and love from Pakistani people. Soon I will visit Pakistan and I'm gonna meet lovely people. Stay home, watch Ertuğrul.
Assalamu alaikum ve rahmetullah. Mere Pakistani Bayo और बहनों, पाकिस्तान में Diriliş Ertuğrul ड्रामे को बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आने पर मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी है। मैं पाकिस्तानी वज़ीर आज़म जनाब इमरान खान का बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। Pak Türk dosti zindabat, cive cive Pakistan, cive cive Türkiye.
Hello Pakistan, my name is Ezgi Esma. You know me from Diriliş Ertuğrul as Banu Çiçek. I've been receiving a lot of hundreds of messages full of love and kindness and nice words from you. Thank you very much for it. It really touched my heart. When I think about Pakistan, I always think about a very colorful place and kind people, energetic, and I think it's a crowded country, and I like crowded places. It's a bit like Turkey probably, and you know, as they say, it's two countries, one nation, so I think we're close. And after receiving all these messages, it made me think that Turks and Pakistanis are really similar to each other. I really want to come. I don't know when, probably when these traveling restrictions are a little lighter, I wanna come because there are a lot of things that I'm interested in. Pakistan, the culture, the history. Last but not least, I wanna ask you. Right, are you ready? जब मैं पाकिस्तान आऊंगी क्या आप मुझे चाय पिलाएंगे? Thank you very much again. Thanks a lot and much love to Pakistan. Hope to see you soon. Ciao, bye bye. Shukriya Pakistan.
Dil Pakistan, can Pakistan, Mira आपको सलाम।
जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल का बटन दबाना ना भूलिए ताकि ऐसी इंफॉर्मेटिव वीडियोस सबसे पहले आपको खुद ब खुद मिलती रहें।